So her brows are already done. That video is already up. You guys should go check that out on how I achieve my clients' brows. So before you apply foundation, you want to, of course, prime your client's face. That footage got deleted. So yeah, but I use rose water and hard candy primer to prime her face. And the foundation that I'm using two different shades of Maybelline foundation. One is a matte foundation and the other one is a regular liquid one. So that is what I'm using, and they are two different shades. I always mix my client foundations up just to get the, I guess, right color. I'm also using a damp beauty blender. Now you could use a brush, you could use a foundation brush. I say brush. There's nothing wrong with using a brush. In my opinion, I like the damp beauty blender method because I feel like it gives the foundation. And here I am fucking up again. I feel like it gives the foundation a really smooth look, and it helps it to really blend out. So yeah, so that's why I'm using a beauty blender. And yes, I like to blend for my life, because you want to make sure you blend. And so her foundation process is completed. Now we are moving on to the highlighting and contouring process, which I came here for mainly. So of course I'm using LA Pro Girl Concealer. I will list the shades in my description box. So pretty much under the eye, chin, bridge of the nose, and middle of her forehead is where I will be applying the lightest shade. And for my contour, it will be the temples of her forehead and her cheeks. So yeah, and of course y'all know that I'm using the same brush that I always use for pretty much everything. So yeah. Oh yeah, contour her nose as well. Highlighting and contouring, I feel like it's very important because you want to bring that definition back into your client's face. You want to, even if you're doing your own makeup, I feel like highlighting and contouring it just makes a big difference. So I just highly advise everybody just do it, because I feel like it makes a bigger difference and it makes the person's face look 10 times better and not so flat. And once again, I'm taking my beauty blender to blend everything out together. I will literally blend for years. So I'm actually taking this is actually a contour brush, Real Technique brush. I'm using that to buff out that concealer for the contour. And afterwards you will see me blending everything together with the beauty blender. I like to go in, like after I'm done blending everything together, you see right here, I like to go in and just blend everything as one with the beauty blender. So I'm just buffing that out and just blending it all together as. I highly advise y'all to go check that eyebrow tutorial out. Look at how sleek and laid them brows are. If you have not seen my clients, how I do my clients' brows or whatever like that, you guys should definitely go check that out. Especially if you are a makeup artist who kind of have trouble achieving a nice fleeky brow on your client. And right here you can just see the difference. So to set that, of course you want to set when you are using liquids and creams. So I am using a translucent powder L'Oreal and some Ben 9 banana powder. I mixed the two, and then to set that contour I am using a NYX bronzer to no, I think that's a foundation powder. It's a bronzer or either a foundation powder, but it's NYX NYX, and I'm using that to pretty much set everywhere that I contour. And then you're going to see me let that highlight bake and let that powder bake, and then I'm going to move on into her eyes. But I'm not really going to show the full eye process. I will be dropping a client eyeshadow very detailed video for you all. Definitely be on the lookout for that video. So yeah, this is pretty much how you would achieve a nice highlight and contour foundation routine on your clients. When dusting the powder away, instead of really dusting it, you want to kind of pat and dust at the same time. And this is the completed look. If you all love this look, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Also, comment and thumbs up this video if you are enjoying the client tutorials and you want to continue seeing more of them. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, subscribe if you are new.